आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। My heartfelt thanks to the teams and their family members of all COVID warriors of this institute, be it those who are tirelessly ensuring the hygiene of the organization, or those involved with testing, or those involved in the R&D related to COVID. As the director of this wonderful organization, I, on behalf of the entire institute, salute you all for your tremendous goodwill and support. In my lifetime, this is the first occasion when many of us are celebrating the Independence Day at our homes. The enthusiasm and vigor with which our children would rush to the schools to celebrate and participate in the Independence Day programs would be missed this year. Many schools, however, are having the same in the virtual mode. An independent India, where we have the power to decide our destiny, is a gift that our freedom fighters have given us. They gave us this freedom with a lot of hope that we would make this nation the best among the nations. They urged us to work towards eliminating deprivation, bringing in equality, and above all, oneness. We, the ones this nation has been kind enough to give the best of the world-class education, have also to dedicate ourselves to work towards the progress of the nation, the country, the institution, and above all, the people who educated us and mentored us have a faith and hope that we will take the institution, the industry that we are mandated to serve, and the nation forward. The constraints of travel since March this year has taught us that distances are no longer a forbidding factor for collaboration and working together. Even our tiny tots have learned to learn the virtual way when going to schools have been forbidding. The present situation also takes us back to the fundamentals where hygiene has taken the paramount place in life. Gandhiji himself, in an article written in Navajivan in 1919, linked cleanliness and good habits to good health. He wanted people not to spit or clean their noses on the streets, the same aspects which we are stressing today on account of COVID. At a time when the work has to progress as usual, our dependence on support systems and staff for our routine work would have to be reduced. The safest way to go forward would be to carry out our work as much as possible by ourselves, whether it be in research or in administration or in maintaining our premises clean. Here again, I would quote Gandhiji, who said, "So long as you do not take the broom and the bucket in your hands, you cannot make your towns and cities clean." I repeat, so long as you don't take the broom and the bucket in your hands, you cannot make your towns and cities clean. In the time between March and now, the nation also has been constrained with resources. To spend huge amounts on institutions such as ours to protect the mankind through testing, PPE development, vaccine development has been the prime importance to the government. There has been several occasions where the nation has looked upon us as for COVID management. Hence, we researchers and those in the administration of research must work together to meet the expectations of the nation on us. On this Independence Day, let us, while celebrating the independence of the nation and that of ourselves, resolve to restrain ourselves from pointing fingers on anyone, as when we point one finger at anyone, there will be three fingers of the same hand that point at ourselves. Let us also work towards making CSIR and CSIR CLRA a great institution dedicated to the service of the nation. Let us work in a constructive manner without fear and prejudice. In the process of eminence building, all students, scientists, supporting staff, and contractual manpower have a role cut out for themselves. Let us all adorn the role of a facilitator and shed the role of an inhibitor in the growth of the organization. It has taken this long for the nation to start realizing the merits of investment made into S&T institutions. When one looks back for a minute, we realize that had each and every one of us facilitated, the turnaround time required for Indian S&T to become a superpower would have been much lesser. I close by reminding my fellow CLRians the CSIR Bangalore Declaration. India matters to us. We want to matter to India more. Jai Hind.